In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table in Notion. Many of us rely on Notion for organizing various aspects of our work and personal life, and tables play a crucial role in keeping your data effectively structured. Adjusting the size of table columns to suit the content you have can greatly enhance readability and make your information visually appealing. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to resize table columns within Notion, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to adjust your tables to fit your needs perfectly. First, begin by opening Notion. You can do this by navigating to your Notion app on your device, or by visiting the Notion website through your preferred web browser. After logging in, head over to the page where your table is located. If you're creating a new table, the steps we're about to cover apply just as seamlessly. Make sure your table is set up and visible so you can follow along with the next steps. Now, let's move on to the column you wish to resize. Go ahead and hover your mouse over the column header at the top of your table. You'll notice that your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow when you're in the right spot on the column border. This change indicates that you are in position to begin resizing. With the double-headed arrow visible, you can now click and drag the column boundary left or right. This action is where the magic happens, allowing you to increase or decrease the column width as desired. If your column content is overflowing or appears cramped, expand it to make sure everything fits nicely without cutting off any text or data. On the other hand, if your column looks too wide for the content it holds, you might want to drag it inwards to condense it, giving your table a more streamlined appearance. Finally, take comfort in the fact that once you've sized your columns to your liking, Notion will save these new dimensions automatically. There's no need to perform any additional actions to save these changes. As soon as you release your mouse button from the drag action, your preferred column width is saved instantly, ensuring that the next time you or anyone else accesses the table, the adjusted widths are retained. And there you have it. Resizing columns in Notion is a straightforward process, yet it makes a world of difference in how you and others interact with your information. By following these simple steps, you can customize your views and make your notes or data more functional and pleasing to look at. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.